It's easy to trade a bull market. When everything is going up, how hard is it to put your money in something and just let it go up? You don't gotta have brains to trade a trend. It's a trend. You don't have to have brains. But you damn sure gotta have a brain up here, not a marble. Not a marble. You gotta have a brain. And it's gonna take practice for you to understand reversals and pullbacks. And you gotta have balls because you gotta be able to take action. You can't be nervous and scared. What part of the game is that? You're a keyboard. You don't have no screen. You're not a full computer. You see, your brain is like a marble. You understand what I'm telling you? It becomes Fantasy Island when you play marble brain games. You understand what I'm saying? What's going on today, people? It's 3 o'clock in the morning. It's January 19th. It's Saturday. Well, Sunday. It's Sunday, damn it. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Okay? It's very late. It's a weekend. And what am I doing? I'm studying. I'm doing the things I like to do. Burning, studying. I like to make money. See how the thing is the more you make money, studying becomes beautiful. See, studying becomes fun. Because the more you study, the more you develop new things, the more you develop new habits, and success is just right across the street. I mean, a door open right there where once you open that door, success is right there. Because you're heading in that direction. You're in the right direction. Now, you have to gain the knowledge. What I try to explain to everybody is watch this. When you don't have no knowledge and you just doing something to just do it, you don't know why you're doing it. So what happens is I'll give you an example. Stock market trading. Person put out an alert. If you grab and you don't know why you grabbing, like you don't even understand how that person grabbed. You don't understand that person's strategy. You're just a keyboard without a screen. Now, the objective is to see what this person is doing, to see how the person's strategy is, and you take pieces of it and you put it with yours. Now, if you're a beginner, you paper trade. You paper trade and you learn. You see what people doing. You seeing how people move. You get around people that's doing the things they like to do so you could one day do the things you like to do because you're a newbie. You're a beginner. But you have to learn. Now, my problem is the people that just want to take on things that they don't understand and don't want to understand. Like how you want to become successful and how you want to be rich in a field that you don't want to learn. What part of the game is that? You're a keyboard. You don't have no screen. You're not a full computer. You see, your brain is like a marble. You understand what I'm telling you? It becomes Fantasy Island when you play marble brain games. You understand what I'm saying? Get to what I'm thinking. I ain't even get to take a pull off my blunt because my brain is running and I'm trying to slow it down. You have to learn the moves. You have to feel the market. You cannot, for you to really do the things you like to do and become self-sufficient, in order for you to be able to take this and be able to throw it over here and teach it. You understand what I'm saying? Pass it down. You dig me? Family wealth. legacy. You dig me? Understand what I'm telling you? You have to learn. You can't get mad if you lose and you didn't learn. You can't get mad if you lose and it was an alert. You win some, you lose some. When you go into it because you don't know nothing, you're supposed to automatically have in your brain, you know what? This is a lottery ticket. I put it in and hit. It hit a hit. It don't, it don't. It hit a hit. It don't, it don't. But you should never start beating yourself up because you don't know nothing. And that's your fault. So if you lose your ass, you lose your ass. It's your fault. It's your fault. The game is to learn from your mistakes and you learn from your wins. When you win, you don't just get happy and go spend some money. When you lose, you don't just get sad and just start bashing everybody. You learn from it. What happened? What was the step that I took to make the bad decision? Because sometimes the decisions is not even bad. Y'all hear me, people? Just your timing was off. So my thing is, you get you a book and you write things down. You get you a notepad and you write things down. I don't care how you learn it. God damn it, you learn it from somebody. Learn it. I don't learn it. You want to become successful, he or she who has the most knowledge is going to win. It's the reason why you follow people. Get to where I'm coming to. Like, understand the psychology of what I... Understand this. It's a reason why you follow people. It's like cognitive dissonance. People don't like. You can't become something you hate. You smell me? You can't say, all right, I want to be rich, but you hate rich people. That's why I always try to tell people, have positive energy. Great energy. How you expect you have no hope? You don't even see yourself there. You just bash people, but you want to be. You don't want to work hard? You going to work hard. What you mean I don't want to work hard? No, you're going to be a slave, damn it. Because you hate what you want to become. So the Lord going to make sure that you don't have to even deal with that wave. You got to learn how this market moves. It's always you always got to learn. Why? Because it's always something happening. There's always something different. You're always going to be changing up your strategy on how you move. It's easy to trade a bull market. When everything is going up, how hard is it to put your money in something and just let it go up? You don't got to have brains to trade a trend. It's a trend. You don't have to have brains. But you damn sure got to have a brain up here, not a marble. Not a marble. You got to have a brain. And it's going to take practice for you to understand reversals and pullbacks. And you got to have balls because you got to be able to take action. You can't be nervous and scared. If you on the phone or you at the presser, or you all nervous and your hands are shaking and you feeling all funny, you gotta chill, relax, evaluate your damn self, not the companies and not the stocks. Evaluate yourself, relax, take a chill pill. Get it together, get it together, get it together. I mean, y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Babe with the Ghetto Bed.